Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to present a design in Canva. To get started, head up to your dashboard at the top right corner, select Share, then click See All. Then where you see Present, you want to click that to open up how you would see your presentation. From here, you can choose to present it as simply a full screen, presenter view, present and record, or autoplay. The presenter view allows you to see your notes while your audience see your slide. Autoplay sets a timer for slides to advance automatically, but this can be adjusted by simply coming here to your timer, select to edit timing, and you can choose it to however long you want. You can select apply to all 12 pages. Then when you go back to share, go back to see all, present, and now autoplay, then you select present. You will see that it will take its time to show the next slide. You can look at the playhead right here to see how long it's actually taking to move to the next slide, which is the 20 seconds. You can also just select your screen to move on to the next slide. Also, you can see this blue circle here with my cursor. This is showing you where I'm pointing on the screen. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.